Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. How are you there? I hope you are fine. Okay, we are from four group. Four group. Four group will be practice dialogue conversation about asking and giving opinion. I am Areta.
I'm Tia and I'm Naja.
We are from AG1 Junior High School.
Hi guys,
Hi, what about?
Hi. I invite celebrity birthday party in Disneyland. What they celebrate? The 10th birthday party is Cinderella.
It's very fun. Can I join you?
Yes, you can join me. What is your opinion about my food that's suitable with birthday party? In my opinion, you can wear Cinderella a dress.
But I don't have Cinderella dress.
I have money dress in my house. You can borrow my dress.
What do you
What do you think if me wear navy dress Cinderella?
I think you suitable wear navy dress Cinderella.
I think you suitable wear black dress Cinderella. Yes, I've done suitable dress Cinderella. Okay. What do you think if me wear borrow dress Cinderella? I couldn't agree more, but I don't have. Hi guys,
Hi, Via. What about?
in invite celebrity birthday party in Disneyland. When they celebrate, their birthday party is Cinderella.
It's very fun. Can I join you?
Yes, you can join me. What is your opinion about my food? What is your opinion about my food that's suitable with birthday party? In my opinion, you can wear Cinderella dress.
But I don't have Cinderella dress.
I have money dress in my house. You can borrow in my dress. I think you should use. What do you wear? Navy suitable dress. I think you. I think you suitable wear navy dress Cinderella.
I want borrow your purple dress Cinderella.
Yes, I agree.
Okay.
What do you think if we wear borrow dress Cinderella? I think it's suitable with white shoes.
How do you think if we wear white shoes?
Yes, I agree. I couldn't agree more, but I don't have. I have to. If want to you borrow, please take in shoes right. I want to borrow. Thank you, Pia. You're welcome, Naja.
So we prepare our clothes first and then sit.
Yes, I want to prepare a fish. I'm done. Yes, I want to. I'm done. Yes, I want to prepare a fish.
Me too. Do you have done?
Yes, I do. Yes, me too. I cannot make up by myself tomorrow.
Because I can make up.
Thank you, Reta.
You are welcome.
What time to celebrate party? At 7:30.
So what we are going there?
No, I disagree because we pick up by Disneyland.
Oh. That's good. We don't need money.
Why you cannot invited by celebrate party Disneyland?
I don't know because I become the winner from Disneyland.
Yes, I know.
That is difficult. But because I'm clever, it is so easy clever.
Don't be arrogant, yeah.
So I'm sorry.
Of course.
Yes, thank you. So we will take a bath and make up the whiting it up tomorrow.
Okay.
I cannot go to Florida.
What are you doing go to Florida?
Just for my mom. I have a problem.
Me too.
I will do my task. Bye.
Thank you guys. I think enough. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.